Good morning, dear students. I welcome you to this e-learning class. I am your English teacher Gajanan sir, and today we are going to revise the interesting chapter from our book Behave, the Fun They Had. Let's do it revision. The fun they had. It is a story about a boy whose name is Tommy and a girl whose name is Margie. So what happened? Tommy found a book. This is a story about means after 150 years, how will be the situation of educational system that is given in the story. So it is approximately 1957 means after 150 years what will happen and how will be the teaching learning process. So what happened in the beginning of the story? Tommy found a book of his grandfather's grandfather, old book. So when they saw the book, they were very much interesting. Actually, Tommy was a practical minded boy, but the girl, Margie, was sensational. She was very sensitive and she attracted towards the things written on the book. Because Tommy and Margie used to learn the things on computer and laptops. But when they found the book which is printed on pages, so they surprised and they started to read about it. You know, student Margie and Tommy used to learn the things in a very mechanical way. The robot used to come in their home. Their classroom was nothing but a room next to their bedroom. So the mechanical robot, he used to come and he used to teach them, and that test was also online. Everything was online. So Margie was fed up with such type of school. So when she read it, she was very much surprised and she was feeling very happy. So what happened? When Margie was thinking about this, her mother called to a Sconti teacher. Okay, so her mother called to Sconti teacher because Margie was unable to understand properly the basic concepts of maths and geography. So the Sconti teachers made a little bit changes in that particular machine, and as per the level of Margie, he changed it so that Margie should understand it. So what happened? This Tommy and Margie, they started to read the book and they enjoyed, because means grandfather's days. It means that the school used to be very interesting. The children used to go to the classroom along with each other. They used to sit in the classroom. One human being, just like as a teacher, he used to come in the classroom and he used to teach. So what happened when they were reading this? They were felt very happy, and they were surprised also that school system was like this. So Margie was very much attracted towards this beautiful school, and she remember how might be the school was interesting. So when Margie was thinking about all this, because her school was nothing but a bedroom, means her classroom was next to her bedroom, so she was not enjoying her teaching learning process. But when she read about the book and the school system which was there before 150 years ago, means her grandfather's grandfather's school, that was a school building. All the children used to sit together, they used to enjoy, they used to learn the things together, they used to go classroom together. So all these things were very tempting and interesting for Margie. So she was considering that the earlier school was far better than their present school. So students, here you can see this Margie and Tommy, they are thinking about how the school used to be before their grandfather's grandfather. So Margie went into the world of that school and she was imagining how fun they had. Means they enjoyed a lot during their schooling days. And here she was not enjoying, the teaching learning process, because even though this technology can do a lot of progress, but the robot can't take place of a teacher. Why? Because teacher give a mental support, motivation, and whenever you feel sad, the teacher can play a very important role, but robot can't do such type of things. So here the story throws light on the aspect that even though there is a lot of technological progress, but this technological progress and the robotic machine can't take the place of teacher. And if student want to enjoy teaching learning process, it must be live along with other children, then only we can enjoy teaching learning process. Thank you student, have a happy day.